Welcome to Unisteel Engineering Works, manufacturer and exporter of construction machinery. An ISO, JAZANZ, and DNB certified company, incepted in 1997 at Ahmedabad. We are a member of FICCI, CII, AEM, and Gujarat Chamber of Commerce. We are well known in the market for our stringent quality products, immense domain expertise, and diligent team of professionals. We offer a diverse range of sensor concrete paver, road construction, and airport construction machines. Our concrete and sensor concrete paver machines are superior in performance. Canal and reservoir paver machines offered by us are in huge demand across the global markets. We also provide sensor paver and road construction machines that are available with us at cost-effective prices. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of airport construction machine and concrete conveyors that are a class apart. We are leading firm engaged in offering reservoir concrete and triming machines that are highly efficient. To get more information, log on at www.unisteelconstructionequipment.com.